Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be painting one of the beach stones that I picked up off the beach, and it's going to be a very easy painting. It's not a mandala, but it's going to be easy for beginners. If you haven't done a painting of stones before, you can definitely do this one. Very simple, but very nice, very colorful. These beach stones are lovely. You can do so many things with them. You can put cork under them or something like that. You can use them as doorstops. You can use them as paperweights. You can just put them on windowsills for decorations. If you cover them with a good varnish or maybe resin, you could put them in pot plants. They're really pretty. They're very nice. I started painting them to use as doorstops because I had doors that I wanted closed that kept opening and doors that I wanted open that kept closing, and so I started painting mandalas on beach stones to use as doorstops. Now today's painting is not a mandala, but it's very cool. It's very cool. So follow along, paint your own stones too, use your own colors that you want to use, and create some beautiful stones.